I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. We have a curious, sensory-seeking 5-year-old who is delayed in our class. Often he runs for the door and shoves adults out of the way if they try to stop him. I know he doesn't mean harm. Honestly, I'm not sure how to respond to this situation. First of all, I'm going to respond to 5-year-old. What I'm seeing in my travels is many 5-year-olds that are really more like 2. So I always try to kind of, uncover what would I do with a 2-year-old. 2-year-olds tend to dart around, they run where they see something they want and they run after it. So if I think of it more on that vein, it makes me understand it better. Like, okay, I can't expect every 5-year-old to be developmentally and socially and emotionally in the same place. So I've got these delays, as you called them in the question, and those delays are being more like a 2 or 3-year-old. The best thing you can do here is to be consistent. Anyone who works with this 5-year-old needs to be able to respond in the same way. So when he darts out the door and shoves somebody, we know that he doesn't mean to harm anybody, but kids are very physical when they're young, and that's kind of how they communicate. And so responding to the situation needs to be something super consistent, which means we say, hands down, no hurting, I will hold your hands. Oftentimes, if you say to the child what you want them to be able to do, like give them the words, it will work. So here's an example. You dart out the room, you come at me and you push me, I might take your little hands and say, oh, I'm upset. I want to run through the building, but I can't touch anyone. So see what I'm doing? I'm saying what I wish he would be saying in his head. So eventually he will run out the door, maybe go, oh, I want to run out the building. I want to run out the door, but I can't touch anyone. And then we kind of gradually work on, okay, why are we running out the door? So try to handle the physical response first by giving him the ideas in his head with statements, and then work on, why am I running out the door? Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.